Good morning, viewers. You're watching Newsx and I'm Simran. Let's begin the bulletin with the focus on the top story of this hour. After the successful visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Nigeria, now the Prime Minister has landed in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, making this the second leg of his ongoing three-nation visit. His visit would finally culminate in the participation of the 19th G20 summit, where along with the other world leaders, he would participate in important global discussions. Announcing his arrival, the MEA has shared a post on X that reads that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has landed in the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, to attend the G20 Brazil summit. The post also included images of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's welcome at the airport. He posted that he landed in the Brazil to take part in the G20 summit and said that he looks forward to the summit deliberations and fruitful talks with the various world leaders. All right, viewers, joining me live on the broadcast to share more latest details on the very same is my colleague Mehndi Garg. Mehndi, very good morning to you. It seems like a very ambitious and fruitful three-nation visit taken on by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and now in fact the latest that we can see is that he has landed in Rio, and this is the second leg of his three-nation visit where he's expecting to hold high-level delegations and also participate into the discussions with the world leaders for ahead of the 19th G20 summit. Mehndi.
Well, yes, Simran, good morning to you as well. And it is a very important meet for India and also for the Prime Minister, because now he has landed in Rio de Janeiro as part of his three-nation tour to, attend the 19th G20 Leader Summit. And also, Simran, upon his arrival in Brazil, PM Modi was welcomed by the Indian delegates, led by the Indian ambassador to Brazil, Suresh Reddy. And also, in a post on X platform, Prime Minister Modi has expressed his anticipation for the summit, also stating that he has landed in Rio de Janeiro and Brazil, to take part in the G20 summit, and also he is looking forward to the summit deliberations and fruitful talks that will happen with between various world leaders. And the Prime Minister has also shared the images of his warm reception at the airport, and we can see, how Prime Minister was welcomed by the Indian delegates and also the delegates of Brazil. And, there PM Modi also received a very unique and traditional welcome upon his arrival, because the atmosphere at the airport was marked by Vedic chants performed by disciples of Acharya Jonas Masetti, also known as Acharya Vishwanath, who leads an organization dedicated to promoting the Sanskrit and also the Vedic practices. And, this is a very beautiful welcome, because as the visuals are there also on the social media and also shared by the Prime Minister, that how he was welcomed in Brazil. And also, Simran, the Indian diaspora in Brazil was equally enthusiastic about Prime Minister Modi's visit, and large crowds were gathered outside his hotel, waving Indian flags and also, cheering, eager to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister, because it was very it was a sense of excitement in the people of Brazil also who are living there, the people of Indian diaspora who are living there. And also talking about the G20 summit in Brazil, it is significant as India continues to play a key role as part of the G20 Troika, which also includes Brazil and South Africa. And also, Simran, following India's successful G20 presidency last year, which elevated the forum to, a people's G20 by prioritizing the global South interests. So Brazil is expected to build on this momentum, focusing on similar themes. So earlier, Prime Minister Modi had also recalled India's successful bid at hosting G20, saying that in Brazil, he will attend the 19th G20 summit as a Troika member. And last year, it was a successful event that happened in India. And this summit at Rio de Janeiro has been scheduled for November 18th and 19th, and also will also see the participation from other prominent world leaders, including US President Joe Biden and also, President Xi Jinping, Chinese president. So yes, bilateral talks will be happening between the several leaders, and Prime Minister Modi is expected to meet with the several world leaders and to, discuss the diplomatic relations between the countries. Yes, Amreen.
All right, Mehndi, thank you for sharing, in fact, the latest and the details.